as you might be able to see there on the clock, it's after 8. Still a hot day. Would love an ice cream right now. Don't have one, but I do have the next best thing. So I've got here from Crewe, aka Mark, 801 Mint Stout. Oh, and I've seen a few people review this. Hang on. Has that made it worse? It doesn't matter. I've seen a few people, not now, he wants to go out, but he's not allowed out after 8 because he runs away. No. Say that. Okay, so, bugger it, you can see me in the dark. I'll stop rambling, okay. We got here pale malt, chocolate malt, flaked oats, torrefied wheat, caramel, crystal malt, lactose, coconut nibs, Polaris hops, SO4 yeast. And as you can see there, it's dripping because I'd just taken it out of the fridge like 5 minutes ago. It's already melting away. I'm drinking it this cold because I've been told it tastes like mint choc chip ice cream, which is my favourite ice cream. I kid you not. Even when we went out to Italy, they've got all the gelatos, all the different flavours. What do? There it is, mint choc chip. Every time. Pissed. I haven't got a good grip on this. No smoke. Okay, so like I said, I'm drinking this cold. Maybe I'm drinking it too cold. I just want to get that ice cream sensation that I've been told it's all about. But I might drink half of it warm. We'll see. So it's lovely and dark. That made no difference. Okay, it's a dark beer. I keep looking at the screen and not you guys, do I? You're there. Yeah. So I don't know how you got them. Apologies, Mark. I can't remember the video. If there is one, I don't know how you got that mint in there. Whether you used real mint leaves? No way. Look what I've got here. Genuine mint leaves from the garden. Honest to God, I did not know they were there. Of course, actual mint doesn't smell like mints, you know what I mean? When they're fresh. But it really does smell just like I'm not going to say it smells like mint choc chip ice cream. I'm going to say it actually does smell like after 8 mints, which is what he was originally going for. And it smells exactly like after 8 mints and those little mint crisps circles that you get around Christmas. And there's a bit of stoutiness in there as well. One of the best smelling beers ever. Really, I just can't stop smelling it, sniffing it. Okay, so in for the taste. Sorry Mark, I've buggered up this video. Should have said thank you very much for the 2 beers that you've sent me. He also sent me a mojito wheat beer. Just want to add awesome caps. awesome labels, absolutely awesome, and I've ruined it because it's all wet now, and I was going to peel this off and stick it on my fridge, so I'm still going to try and recover that one. Okay, so in for the taste. Yep. I think I said earlier I'm going to wait and drink half of it warm. I'm not going to do that because I think it's great this temperature. There is a bit there, so I will leave that half an hour and come back to it. I won't bother filming that bit. But you've probably already seen everyone else's video on this. It's beautiful, seriously. And it does have a little bit of bitterness as well. Tiny bit. But it does taste like... I'm not going to say it tastes like mint choc chip ice cream. I'm going to say it does taste like those After 8 mints. Or does it? It does taste like mint choc chip ice cream. Absolutely beautiful beer. She wants to try some of this, so I'm gonna give it some. Okay, so it's a lovely beer. What can I say? I'm not going to read it because I think you've all seen that already on other people's videos. So thank you very much to Mark. It's a beautiful stout. And I have heard that you're entering this in a competition, and there's no way anyone can beat that. I don't know what category you're entering it, if there's a sweet stout category or something. But, you know, it's great. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one off now. Like I said, it's a bit late and I can't talk too loud. Okay, so cheers, Mark, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in August. Okay, see you. So I've just given her some. I should get her to do these videos because she's way better than me. She says it's very refreshing, which, yeah, she's right, it is really refreshing for a stout. That'd be that minty freshness. And she also told me, oh, it's better than your chili one. So there you go. Yeah.